Dick Rochfort here. Malibu 917 Romeo Papa, Papa Alpha 46, M350 with color weather radar. That rain shower we just looked at is right here. Let's zoom in to 20 miles, make it a little brighter and bigger. Take the bearing pointer over that guy. I'm going to show you how you know that's rain and not ground, in case you didn't already know. It's got nothing to do with rho sine theta, dB down, or Pythagoras. Pythagoras wasn't even a pilot. What would he know?
99 Alpha Bravo, Miami Center 132.
We go to the vertical profile, and this guy is taller at the top than it is at the bottom. It has water in it. That's a ground paint with water in it.
Delta 1738, descend the maintain for over 220.
And it's just that simple. Lots of weather today. We just came from Key West and managed to stay south of the weather, and then turned up toward this group of weather here, and then scooted over, and then direct to RSW. And we didn't do it with NEXRAD. We did it with color weather radar.
The 1738 just had something pop up in front of Jingle, moderate precipitation. Everybody had been getting through. Let me know what you see.
All right. Right now we look all right. I'll let you know there might be something right there before Jingle.
Okay, Roger.
So that's the real weather off to our left. And that's how it looks out the window. And here's how it looks on NEXRAD. It looks far less troublesome on the NEXRAD. Since NEXRAD is 7 colors, you'd think, well, you know, we could go over top of that at 12, but we wouldn't be getting over top of it today. Not that that matters, because clouds aren't dangerous. It's turbulence and moisture in the form of ice, perhaps. But the weather radar tells the story. So as I like to say, don't fly in yellow rain or red rain on the radar. We got some green rain in front of us. Looking like that, shouldn't be a problem. Dick Rochfort, fly safely. Train off it.